how to change server in Blox Fruits on mobile. Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can change servers in Blox Fruits on mobile. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So in order to change servers in Blox Fruits on mobile, you have to follow these steps. Step 1. Leave your current server by tapping the menu button, selecting the gear icon to open settings, and tapping leave or exiting the game completely. Step 2. Rejoin a different server by opening the Roblox app, going to the Blox Fruits game page, and tapping play. Roblox will assign a server automatically, though it may not guarantee a different one. Step 3. If available, use the server list to join a specific server. If you have access to a private server or purchase a VIP server, you can create and join your own private server. Step 4. For advanced methods, use third-party tools like Roblox Server Finder or browser extensions on a PC to join specific servers. This option might not be directly accessible on mobile but can be tried via a browser login. Step 5. If needed, repeat the process of leaving and rejoining until you connect to a different server. So that's how you can change servers in Blox Fruits on mobile. That's all for this video.